1, 2, 3.
Right, come on. Now stop messing around there. Come on. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Waterhouse Forde. Christmas is done. What did Father Christmas bring you, Oscar?
I got a drum set.
A 5-piece drum set. Wow, what a lucky kid. So he's driving us all crazy, but yeah, luckily he's actually a lot better than that. Anyway, look, we're a couple days away from 2020, and we thought we'd do a quick video just to really just thank you guys for your support during 2019, and obviously talk a little bit about what we will be doing in 2020, so a little bit about what's to come. So, what do you think about 2019? How do you think we've got on, Oscar?
Well, I think we made a lot of progress on the tractor.
Mm-hmm.
We started at the back, and now we're all the way at the very front.
Yeah, working on the engine, yeah?
Yeah, well, not the very front.
Yeah, we still got the front axle and everything to do.
But that isn't going to take too long.
Famous last
Hopefully.
words.
Hopefully.
Yeah, indeed. When did we start? Do you remember when we started?
I think it was 2018 sometime.
August 2018. Yeah, so that would be, that's 16 months that we've been working on the tractor and putting out videos. So, but it's been a good year, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and obviously one of the most significant things of 2019 was the association, the collaboration with Anglo Agriparts, which obviously has helped hugely, hasn't it? So,
yeah.
And that's also motivated us a lot in the second half of the year as well. So. Now, in our last video, you saw us stripping the engine, stripping the block, getting the pistons out, getting the crankshaft out and all of that. Now we've also, in the meantime, we've actually managed to order the parts for the engine, and I'll take you over in a minute and we'll have a quick look at those. There's not a lot to see. Obviously we'll go through the actual parts when we come time to... What are you doing?
Looking at them.
Okay, so when we actually come to the actual rebuild, we'll go through the parts in detail, but I'll just give you a quick look at it now. So Oscar, talking about 2020, the year coming, what are you looking forward to the most?
Getting this tractor done.
Getting it done?
Hopefully.
What do you mean by done? What is done?
Like finished and whatever we're going to do with it after that. And once we've finished everything.
Oh wow, okay, well, let's hope we get that far, eh?
Well, yeah, it shouldn't take another year.
No, it shouldn't. No, you're right. I mean, I think what I'm looking forward to the most, I think, is actually getting it started, getting it running.
Yeah.
And then obviously the next thing would be getting it painted. And well, to be fair, we'll probably paint it before we get it running. But anyway, I'm most looking forward to actually getting it running and maybe hearing it run for the first time. I think that's going to be quite exciting. But yeah, we should definitely get that done during 2020. So look, that's what's in store. That's what that's what there is to look forward to. The next, I don't know, probably 6 or 8 videos are going to be on probably focused on the engine. Obviously, we've got one more probably on stripping. We've still got a few bits to take off the block. We've got the head that needs to be stripped down and then obviously rebuilt. And then we will start rebuilding. Well, lots of cleaning to do, as always, lots of cleaning to do. But then we'll actually start on rebuilding essentially reconditioning the engine. So probably another 1 or 2 videos to go, just in terms of stripping, cleaning, getting ready, that sort of thing. We'll do probably 1 or 2 videos on the cylinder head, and then I don't know, it'll probably be about 4 or 5 videos, I would think, on the actual engine itself, getting it all put back together. And then getting it back on the tractor again. Before we do that, we do need to go through the gearbox. I'm not expecting that to be a big job. I'm hoping it'll just be a case of opening up, checking everything, making sure everything looks good. I don't intend to strip the gearbox completely. They're not, they're typically not something that we have lots of problems with. So I'm expecting that to be good. But the other big job that we will have to do, obviously, is getting into the steering box. The steering box is very stiff. There's quite a bit of play in it. So we definitely need to go through that and get that, we'll get a good look at it and then probably restore that as well. And then mechanically, the only other bit that we've got to do is the front axle. And really that's about replacing, obviously we'll go through the front bearings, the hubs and all of that. We'll go through the kingpins, and then we will replace all of the knuckle joints, the knuckle joints on the steering arms, get those sorted out. Again, I don't think that the main pivot arm or pivot bush is particularly badly worn. It looks absolutely fine. We will have another closer look at that, but I'm expecting that to be pretty straightforward. And that will be, I think mechanically, that will be the tractor finished, and then we can move on to the painting and the bodywork, getting the tin back on. And then hopefully getting the tractor running, and then we'll be done.
Well, I think we're forgetting something.
What's that?
My go-kart after we finish this.
Yeah, well, we do need to work on your go-kart.
Yeah.
That's a separate project altogether, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So listen, everybody. Best wishes for 2020. We hope that it's a good year for all of us. We're certainly excited and looking forward to the new year, and hopefully you are too. And of course, we hope that it's a good year for all of us as well. So do you want to say anything, Oscar?
No, not really.
Not really? You want to wish everybody a happy new year?
Yeah, happy new year.
Alright, good. Great, hope you enjoy this video. It's just a short one, just a couple of clips taken recently, just cut together, and really the main thing was just wanted to wish you a fantastic 2020 and a happy new year. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon on the next video. Cheers for now.
Bye.
Okay, so here we see all the parts that we needed for the engine. I'm not going to go through them all now, but you can see obviously the main things being gasket sets. We got the sleeves and the pistons, rings. We got all the bits that we need to rebuild the head, and then all the other little bits, bearings, that kind of thing that we need. And then down on the floor we've got the clutch kit there, and then on the right at the bottom we've got the new crankshafts. So yeah, we're looking forward to obviously getting stuck in, but as you know, and as we said, there's a lot of work still to do on the actual block. Get all the other little bits and pieces off of it, get it cleaned up, and then also to get the sleeves out. And as part of that, we're actually making a sleeve puller. So I've designed one, and we might do a video or two on that. And that will be over the next couple of weeks as well. So yeah, great stuff, and again thank you to Anglo for their support and their ongoing support to the channel. And once again, if you wouldn't mind supporting them, you can visit them at their website, which is www.anglo-agriparts.com, and we obviously look forward to working with them in 2020 as well. What are you doing?
Testing the nail.
Testing the nail.
This nail can't even go through cardboard.
Oh really? It must be really blunt.
Look at this. Hardly anything.
Okay, very good.
Oh yeah, that one's better.
Yeah.